Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe. Today bring you this fantastic looking Toyota RAV4 hybrid SUV. This particular example is finished in the highly spec'd XL model and powered by 4-wheel drive with the optionally upgraded Tokyo Red Pearlescent paintwork. In terms of key features, there's plenty for you to enjoy with a distinctive design in the front and fully complemented by full LED headlights and LED daytime running lights. This particular model also boasts a few optional extras such as black leather and a beautiful sky view panoramic roof will let plenty of natural light inside the cabin. Moving around the side of this vehicle, you also enjoy these 18-inch silver alloy wheels which really complement the Tokyo red color, and as you can see here, the roof is very nice indeed. Additionally, around the side you can enjoy privacy glass with keyless entry and start, as well as heated power folding wing mirrors to make life that little bit easier. Passengers in here will be very happy as the cabin offers absolutely loads of legroom and headroom for even the tallest passengers. The black leather feels very premium and is also incredibly durable, and the natural light and light cream stitching is also available to brighten up the experience. Moving over to the rear, LED taillights are available as well as twin exhaust pipes, and when your hands are full, you'll be happy to know for added convenience there is even a power opening and closing tailgate. Once open, it reveals an absolutely cavernous boot space, and that's before you fold down the rear seats in a 60-40 split. Clever solutions include tether hooks as well to tie down items, with even a 12-volt socket and a hidden compartment which is great for keeping items out of public view. Closing the boot simply requires a press of a button. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin is no different, offering a part digital instrument cluster, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, with front seats offering additional side lumbar support, and the driver's seat is even electrically adjustable for added comfort and convenience. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of its Toyota RAV4. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this RAV4 XL, there's plenty for you to enjoy. The floating infotainment touchscreen has got all your entertainment needs covered, and the driver control panel offers plenty with this unique stitching, giving it a nice solid feel. Memory seats are available as well as power folding wing mirrors, and various safety systems on offer, and even a heated steering wheel with auto high beam assist. Adaptive cruise control is available from the right side, and the left side will control Bluetooth, volume, and the digital instrument cluster up ahead. As you can see here, there's plenty for you to enjoy with a traffic sign recognition camera system, and the dials are clearly and logically laid out. There are also various modes letting you know information about your eco score, as well as the adaptive cruise control, and even navigation functions and guidance, all your music needs, Bluetooth, and even what the all-wheel drive system is doing, along with an energy monitor. Various safety systems such as blind spot assist, parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert, and lane departure warning should keep you and your occupants safe at all times. Moving over to the center screen, the home function offers you multiple views such as nav, radio, but you can also have got a more traditional menu offering you various music formats through both AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions too. Also, Bluetooth audio is available for wireless media streaming, and you can also pair your device to allow you to stay in touch with all your family and friends. Various apps are also available, such as MirrorLink smartphone connectivity, and other great features will also incorporate vehicle information, letting you know what is happening at any given moment between the engine and the electric motors. Built-in satellite navigation will make sure you never ever get lost, and to help with parking, reverse parking camera is complemented by a wide-angle view, as well as front and rear audible and visual sensors. Moving down the cabin, easy-to-use two-zone climate control system will keep you cool during the hot summer months, and also for the winter, you'll be happy to know there are heated seats available for the driver and passenger to complement this heated steering wheel. Various driver controls are available for the four-wheel drive system to give you maximum grip and convenience, and also a very large deep center armrest is great for storing items out of public view. That Skyview panoramic sunroof is an absolute joy to use and features an electronic sunshade blind which can be fully retracted back, and also will fully reveal the glass, letting in plenty of light inside the cabin. This has been a presentation of the Toyota RAV4 XL all-wheel drive that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.